Unlock a new level of fitness with the UpCore, or enhance your gaming experience with ultra-low latency Cyberblade earbuds. Revolutionize your virtual interactions using HaptX Gloves G1 and embark on urban adventures with the foldable REM propulsion stick. Stay prepared with the multifunctional GPCA Carabiner Pro X key, or enjoy immersive displays with Nreal Air AR Glasses. Let's look at the 12 cool gadgets men can own in 2025. 12. Circul Ring. The Circul Ring is a sleek, screenless smart ring designed to keep track of your health metrics. With its AI-powered wellness assistant, this lightweight ring discreetly monitors your sleep patterns, heart rate, and more. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts, the Circul Ring encourages you to stay active while also reminding you to rest when necessary. The accompanying app provides actionable tips to help you improve your overall well-being. Though the app can be a bit confusing, the wearable is generally comfortable and offers valuable insights into your health. 11. Nreal Air AR Glasses. The Nreal Air AR Glasses offer a revolutionary augmented reality experience directly from your smartphone or gaming device. Lightweight and designed to look like regular sunglasses, these glasses transport you to a virtual movie theater, projecting a 130-inch HD screen right before your eyes. With micro OLED panels and integrated speakers, they offer an immersive audiovisual experience. Although the glasses are impressive in performance, they have limitations such as draining your phone's battery quickly and being expensive without the beam adapter. 10. Mech Wallet. The Mech Wallet by PunCube is a minimalist front pocket wallet with a unique push-to-reveal mechanism. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's both durable and stylish, fitting comfortably in your pocket. The wallet can hold up to 8 cards and some cash while providing RFID protection to safeguard your cards from electronic theft. The fidget-friendly design adds a playful touch, making it a great conversation starter in social settings. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a practical yet aesthetic wallet. 9. GPCA Carabiner Pro X Key. The GPCA Carabiner Pro X Key is the ultimate everyday carry, EDC, multi-tool designed to handle daily tasks and adventurous journeys. Made from durable stainless steel, it features a carabiner, key holder, screwdriver, bottle opener, wrench, and more in one compact and lightweight tool. Ideal for people who love practicality and functionality, this versatile gadget ensures you are always prepared without carrying bulky tools. Its sleek design and high-quality construction make it a perfect companion for both urban and outdoor environments. 8. UpCore. UpCore is an innovative back brace that uses wireless electrical stimulation to strengthen your back and core muscles while improving your posture. Designed to be worn discreetly under your clothes, it targets muscle groups to reduce back pain and support better spinal alignment. The companion app offers personalized workout plans and tracks your progress, ensuring you stay on top of your fitness goals. UpCore is perfect for desk workers, athletes, and anyone seeking relief from back discomfort. The lightweight, comfortable design means you can wear it daily without inconvenience. 7. REM. REM by Limitless Propulsions is a cutting-edge foldable propulsion stick designed for skateboarders and inline skaters. It turns your city into an urban playground by providing extra speed and maneuverability on the go. The compact, lightweight design features high-durability materials, ensuring it withstands rigorous use. With its easy-to-use folding mechanism, REM fits seamlessly into your active lifestyle. This Kickstarter-backed project combines technology and convenience, making it a must-have for skating enthusiasts looking to enhance their rides with a boost of effortless propulsion. 6. TapXR. The TapXR is a wrist-worn device that acts as a keyboard, mouse, and controller all in one. Designed to work with any Bluetooth-enabled device, it allows users to input text, play games, and control applications through simple finger taps. With its ergonomic and intuitive design, the TapXR is ideal for on-the-go use, enabling users to stay productive and entertained without the need for traditional input devices. The customizable nature of the TapXR, along with its compatibility with multiple devices and operating systems, makes it a versatile and innovative tool for tech enthusiasts. 5. The MiCoin. The MiCoin is a coin-sized, rechargeable flashlight made from durable GR5 titanium. Despite its small size, it boasts an impressive 300 lumens of brightness and a 5-hour runtime. With IPX8 waterproof rating and 5 integrated lighting modes, including strobe, it's perfect for outdoor adventures and emergencies. The MiCoin can be easily attached to a keychain or gear, making it a convenient, everyday carry item. The tritium slots ensure visibility in the dark, and the USB Type-C charging provides quick and efficient power. 4. Kit Gym. The Kit Gym is a comprehensive exercise solution designed for fitness enthusiasts who value convenience. It includes everything you need for a full-body workout, from resistance bands and exercise mats to adjustable weights and a portable bench. Made with high-quality materials, the Kit Gym ensures durability and comfort. Perfect for home use or on-the-go workouts, this all-in-one kit offers a versatile range of exercises, helping you stay fit and healthy without needing multiple pieces of equipment. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for small spaces and easy storage. 3. Cyberblade. Cyberblade, created by Angry Meow, are next-gen TWS, true wireless stereo earbuds designed for gamers. With ultra-low latency of just 36 ms and impeccable audio quality, they offer a competitive edge in fast-paced games. These earbuds provide a versatile and immersive experience with multiple audio boosters for gaming, movies, and music. Cyberblade's striking RGB lighting and customizable settings make it a unique choice for tech enthusiasts looking for both style and performance. 2. HaptX Gloves G1. HaptX Gloves G1 is a cutting-edge haptic feedback system that provides incredibly realistic touch sensations. These gloves feature hundreds of microfluidic actuators that displace your skin, allowing you to feel the texture, shape, and weight of virtual objects. With advanced force feedback mechanisms, they offer up to 40 dB of resistive force per hand, making virtual interactions feel lifelike. Ideal for training simulations, robotics, and other digital environments, HaptX Gloves G1 is the gold standard for haptics in VR. 1. Nomade. The Nomade, the all-in-one. Daily Travel Hoodie is a versatile and feature-packed hoodie designed for travelers. With 3 styles and an impressive 33 features, this hoodie offers a comprehensive solution for those on the go. Made from high-quality materials, it includes multiple pockets for your gadgets, passport, and other essentials. The built-in eye mask, inflatable neck pillow, and retractable gloves ensure maximum comfort. Its water-resistant and breathable fabric protection makes it suitable for various climates and activities. This hoodie integrates convenience, style, and practicality, making it the ultimate travel companion for daily adventures.
Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.